Go ahead, walk right by me.
Hello, Facebook fans. Monkey.
What? This is gonna hurt, ain't it? Right?
Yeah, they kind of got pretty good hands on the sniper stuff.
They told me have an AK there. They have a sniper rifle there. I can see one of them.
Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
You got that.
Yep, you got plenty.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. Our best thing to do is stay back and hope not to get killed. Then we can just take the flag. Yeah, I know, but I still gotta get in a better spot. I'm completely open. I got a crappy spot right here. I'm moving.
What's your strategy?
Stay hidden, shoot them.
What's your
Spray and pray.
spray and pray? All right. How's that working for you so far?
I killed at least 5 people,
Wow.
and I haven't gotten hit once.
Huh. How about that? Oh, you having a good time?
Oh yeah.
All right.
I was a sniper in the beginning, so I've had an advantage.